In the enchanting land of Sikibiditoilet 50, a place untouched by time, a curious young adventurer named Maya stumbled upon a hidden portal. Upon entering, she found a realm brimming with sentient plants and animals. Guided by a talking fox named Finley, Maya learned that Sikibiditoilet 50's balance was threatened by a fading moonlight crystal. To restore harmony, they embarked on a quest to retrieve 3 elemental gems guarded by mythical creatures. Facing challenges and forming unexpected friendships, Maya and Finley journeyed through mystical forests and treacherous mountains. Along the way, they met a mischievous water sprite, a wise old owl, and a reclusive fire-breathing dragon. With each challenge they overcame, Maya's courage grew, and she discovered her own inner magic. As they collected the elemental gems, Maya realized that the key to saving Sikibiditoilet 50 lay within her heart. Uniting the gems, she channeled their power to reignite the moonlight crystal. The realm flourished anew, and Maya's selfless bravery turned her into a legend. With a grateful heart, she bid farewell to her newfound friends, returning home with memories of a timeless adventure that would forever inspire her.